Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Dynabook 989 gram ported laptop with Meteor Lake CPU. So friend, Dynabook has introduced the Portage X30W powered by up to Intel Core Ultra 7 165Hz processor, and the device reveals the laptop weight a feather light 999 grams of roughly 2.2 lbs, and the device is also a convertible, which means that hinge allow for 360-degree rotation and effectively converting the laptop into a tablet. And apart from the lightweight design, there is little else about the laptop that is worth nothing. The high-end variant support Core Ultra 7 165H, which is plenty powerful chip featuring 6 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores for a total 14 core and 22 threads. An 8-core Arc iGPU handles the graphics and delivers decent performance that nearly match the RTX 2050 mobile in contained case. The system features up to 32 GB of DDR5 5200 MHz memory and up to 2 TB PCIe generation for SSD. And the laptop it comes with 13.3-inch IPS 1080p touchscreen display, a respectable port selection, and 53 watt-hour battery, and its price around 1399 US dollars. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.